Hi, I'm Solomon from eSpares, the channel that helps you fix your home appliances yourself. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the soap dispenser housing on a Beko washing machine. If you find that the water is not entering the soap dispenser and therefore not flushing through the detergent into the drum, then it could be due to blocked jets located at the top of the soap dispenser housing. If the jets are black, then cleaning alone might not resolve the issue. In this case, you would need to replace the soap dispenser housing altogether. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell and leave us a like too, as it helps us to create more and more appliance fixing videos for you, and you never know when you might need eSpares. Also, let us know in the comments how you get on with this repair. For this repair, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a Torx T20 screwdriver and a pair of pliers. Always remember, safety first. Switch off your appliance from the mains and unplug it before carrying out any work. The first thing to do is remove the top panel. To do this, we'll need to remove the two Torx T20 screws from the back of the machine. You can now lift back and remove the top panel from the machine and just place it to one side. Next, we're going to remove the soap drawer from the soap drawer housing by pushing down on the clip inside the soap drawer. Next, remove the two Torx T20 screws from the top of the control panel. Next, remove the 4 screws from the front of the fascia panel. All 4 screws are screwed into the soap dispenser housing. I've laid a towel down to catch any excess water as I'm about to remove the 2 hoses from the back of the soap dispenser housing. To do this, we're just going to use our pliers to unloosen the clips, like so. Once the clips are down, proceed to twist the hoses like so. As you can see, I've removed the towel. We're going to carefully lower the front control panel so that we can now remove the housing. To do this, just push it forward like so and then push it back. We're now going to remove the dispenser to tub hose. In this machine here, we can just pull on the hose there, like so. Before you purchase a new soap dispenser housing, you are going to need to know the model number of your washing machine. This is to ensure you choose the correct part for your exact make and model of your washing machine. If you don't know your model number, don't worry, you can click on our video here. Now it's time to fit your new soap dispenser housing. To do this, we'll refit the dispenser to tub hose to the dispenser. And you may need a flathead screwdriver and just make sure it's secure like so. Now we're going to refit the dispenser housing to the machine. To do this, ensure the clip is lined up with this section just here, so it slips in, and then we're going to push back. We're now going to reattach the 2 hoses to the back of the soap dispenser housing like so. And we're just going to ensure that they are locked into place again by using our pliers and moving the clips to the top. Again, just check that is secure. Next, we're going to reconnect the front panel, ensuring the tabs line up with the inserts, and then the soap dispenser housing lines up with the screws. Now you need to take your 4 Torx T20 screws and reconnect the soap dispenser housing. Refit the two Torx T20 screws into the top of the control panel, left and right. Reconnect the soap dispenser into the soap dispenser housing, like so. Now it's time to refit the top panel to the machine, ensuring the clips securely go into the control panel. Finally, you can refit the two screws to the back of the top panel to secure it in place. And there you have it. That's how you replace the soap dispenser housing on a Beko washing machine. While you're here, check out our video all about our very own eSpares washing machine and dishwasher cleaner. A great product to help keep your washing machine free from line scale and to smell fresh too. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the eSpares channel and like this video if it's helped you. Thanks for watching.